The right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed, unless, of course, you're the Ninth Circuit Court, also referred to as the Ninth Circus because of the whacked out nature of a lot of their leftist opinions. A perfect example of this was their recent ruling in the case Young versus Hawaii, where they found that citizens have no right to carry arms in public. Now, I like to be helpful, so I thought I'd do a practical demonstration of the right to keep and bear arms for the leftist judges of the Ninth. Here is me showing how to keep arms. And this is me showing how to bear arms. Note how I was leaving my home and going anywhere I had a legal right to be while carrying my firearm in case of confrontation. The law in Hawaii says in order for a citizen to carry a weapon or bear arms, they must prove the urgency of the need to carry a firearm and be engaged in the protection of life and property. The Ninth goes even further down the path, saying that the D.C. versus Heller ruling only implies a right to bear arms outside the home may exist. Here's what Scalia actually wrote in Heller. We find that they guarantee the right to possess and carry weapons in case of confrontation. I can't wait for this to get to the Supreme Court so we can see those jester judges of the Ninth Circuit get sent back to clown college.